edger unscrambler. They bring it right up over the top to the operator, who is selecting, you know, the size and somewhat of the grade of the board. Then it goes through the edger where it is automated. It goes through, the board will go through an over and under head scanner. So it's scanning for thickness and the width and the length of the board. Then it will go through the edger where there's two blades in there that will just, they move constantly in and out depending on the size of the board that's coming through. And you can see a little bit of the edger off in the distance. It's out there quite a ways.